Welcome. If you're tired of getting email notifications every time someone messages you on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly turn off those email alerts for messages on Pinterest using your PC, all updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. From here, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will open up a new page where you can adjust all sorts of preferences for your Pinterest account. Now, inside the Settings menu, look for the section called Notifications. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you control what Pinterest tells you about and how. Scroll down until you see the Social section. Under this section, you'll find a category called Messages. Here, Pinterest lets you decide how you want to be notified when you receive messages. To stop getting email notifications, simply find the email option under Messages and switch it off. This means Pinterest will no longer send you emails every time you get a new message, but you'll still be able to see your messages right on the site or in the app. Don't forget the most important step. After making this change, scroll down and click the Save button. This ensures your new settings are updated and you won't have to repeat the process. And that's it. You've just taken control of your notifications and can now enjoy Pinterest without those extra emails cluttering up your inbox. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.